Hello everyone, this is Mar. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this type of images using Google Gemini. First things first, we're gonna go to the App Store and we're gonna download Gemini. So you can search it as Google Gemini. I'm gonna go ahead and download it. Once you download the app, you're gonna go ahead and open it. If you want, you can log in with your Gmail account. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Once you log in with your Google account, this is the prompt that we are going to be using. Now, all you have to do is to press the plus icon and we're going to select photos, agree, and then you're going to go ahead and select the two images that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to select a picture of myself and a picture of Kim Kardashian. Once you upload both pictures, simply press on this icon right here, this little plain icon, and just give Gemini a few seconds to create your image. And there you have your picture ready. You can use this on social media, you can share it with your friends, and it's a really cute way to create nostalgic or cute pictures with someone you admire or you love. And that's it, you guys. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.